School is a place where people go to be educated.
But have you ever had a second thought of the person who created school? Today we are going to be telling you the story of the man who created school. It all started in the early May 1796. A boy was born and named Horace Mann. His family was poor, and his father died when Horace was just 13 years old. Horace struggled earning money from braiding straw for the hat factory. In 1823 to 1837 he practiced law in Massachusetts. After a long struggle, in 1839 he established the first school in the United States. From 1836 to 1837, he was elected as the President of Massachusetts. In 1859, the American reformer, slavery abolitionist, and Whig politician, was pronounced dead from a typhoid fever. Thanks to Horace Mann, the inventor of the concept of school. Please like, share, comments on DYKF.